Hi guys, salut les gars. Moi c'est Arthur et bienvenue dans cette nouvelle vidéo. Aujourd'hui on va faire l'assemblage, le montage du FlyFans Gripen 70mm de chez Turbines-RC.com. Checkez, regardez bien la description, il y a le lien qui est dans la description avec également le lien pour la notice de montage. So guys, today we will do the assembly, the build of the FlyFans Gripen 70mm from Turbines-RC.com. You will find the link in the description to buy this jet and also to download the book, the instructions. So let's get it started. So I just before recording the video, I just had a look at the wires in order to write you down all the labels, because it's written in China. So now you get the English translation. Donc ouais, j'ai déjà dévissé moi la plaque de contreplaqué pour pouvoir regarder les cerveaux, les prises de cerveau, et pour pouvoir faire la traduction en chinois, parce que c'est écrit en chinois sur les prises. Et du coup, le canal 1 c'est aileron, le 2 c'est la profondeur, le 3 c'est la turbine, le 4 c'est la dérive, le 5 c'est le train d'atterrissage et le 6 c'est les plans canards. So let's get it started. So first you have to unscrew four screws here. So I've already done that. No big deal. And then you have all the wires just down below. So first, what do we have to do is to plug the channel 5, the landing gear, and open the landing gear. So we will. I will take my servo tester. The channel 5 is right there. Hop, on va donc ouvrir le train d'atterrissage avec un testeur de cerveau. Ok, cool. Great. Nice. Cool. All right. Then we will have to return, to put the plane upside down, to check the servos, but I think it's already connected. We will check. So the rudder is 4. We'll have a look at that. We'll put on neutral. Yes, that's good. All right. So that's good. Nice. So we can ignore that part. Je pense qu'on peut ignorer ça. Ajuster le cerveau. Ouais, tout est déjà connecté en fait. Donc ça, il n'y a pas besoin. Don't need to do that. Power the canard servo back to the neutral port and install the servo holder with screws. I think that it's already done, but we will check. This is a 6. Channel number 6 for the canard. So if you want to use it, you see, this is a Y wire. If you want to use it only for pitch, so you can just plug your receiver here. But if you want some ailerons mixing, so you have to take these 2 wires separately in your receiver. Donc vous avez compris, hein, si vous voulez utiliser les plans canards que pour la profondeur, il y a juste à brancher cette prise-là dans le récepteur. Et si vous voulez utiliser en tant qu'aileron également, il va falloir utiliser les 2 prises-là. I will take the 2 channels, I will see. So that's a neutral. And so, yeah, that's working. Yes. That's nicely done, really cool. So back to neutral, all right, cool. Donc ça c'est bien, parfait, hop. Insert the canard shaft to the compartment, okay, so nothing to do here. So now let's put together this canard. All right, with some screws. This is 2mm driver, like that. This is the next driver. 2mm screws. So now I will try to, yes, will be easy, just like that. All right, good. So we'll do the same for the other side. On va faire pareil pour l'autre côté. So okay, now that's done. Now we will glue the vertical. Connect the servo with extension and pay attention to the recording positive and negative. Okay. So the rudder. The rudder is right there. On fait des petites rainures comme ça dans la mousse pour améliorer le grip. Donc ça vient comment? Ça vient comme ça. Okay, so like that. Be careful not to cut the wire, of course. Faire gaffe de ne pas couper le câble, évidemment. Okay, so good. Now we have to check the polarity. Always be careful with that. Black on black. And white to yellow. That's good. I will secure with a bit of tape. Very easy. Just some clear tape to be sure it won't go off. Voilà, je mets toujours un peu de scotch sur ce genre de connexion. On sait jamais. We never know. So good. And now just have a look at the wiring. How I will put that in. Not too much. Ça sert à rien d'en mettre trop. Petit point au milieu. Je pense qu'on est pas mal. All right. That's a perfect fit. Really, really nice. So yeah, my decals, my water decals are not perfect because my plane has been built during winter, and when it's too cold in the factory and with too humidity, the water decals are not perfect. So it's only mine. The factory told me that the next one will be perfect. Ouais, donc là c'est juste sur le mien parce qu'en fait il a été fait tôt, il a été fait cet hiver, et en fait quand il fait trop froid dans les usines, là, ça colle pas bien les décalcomanies. Et il m'a dit que pour les autres qui arrivaient là dans quelques semaines, ce serait pas comme ça. No souci. It's already tacky. Et ça colle déjà quoi. think it will be perfect. Yeah, nice. The nozzle, I will do it right now as my my glue is open. Some scratches right there too on the nozzle. All right, a bit in this hole. This part is under, you see, on the bottom, and now we will take it. Great. You have to pull it apart and then retake it. You can do that many times. On peut faire plusieurs fois. Coller, décoller. C'est comme ça que marchent ces colles contact. That's how it works. And now that's good. Great. Perfect, perfect, perfect. That's nice. All right. So glue the vertical. That's done. Adjust the length of the push rods. Install the pull rod. Plug the carbon rod, the wing spar, and connect the extension. Fix the extra cable with tape or tie, and plug it into the reservoir of the fuselage. The wing spar. To the marks. Perfect. We'll put a bit of tape. Once again, un petit bout de scotch. Ouais, il y a de la place là-dedans. On va pouvoir mettre le fil. You can put the cable right in that hole. On its wheels. Alors, le câble. Great. Nice. Perfect fit. I love that. I really, really love when it's just perfect like that. I will put the other one. Good. Nice, perfect. Now the screws. I've got 4 left. Ok. Ouais, j'ai carrément du mal à respirer. Ouais. Je m'en rends compte quand je parle trop. Faut carrément que je reprenne mon souffle. Saleté de Covid, quoi. Et vous voyez, ça rentre parfaitement bien, les vis. Hein. Ça, c'est cool. Hein. Pas besoin de forcer. it's a perfect fit. The screws are really nice. All right, so that's done. Glue the nose landing gear cover. Glue the jet nozzle, that's done. Glue the fuel tank rock. The whole. Now that's good. Perfect. Nice. So I think that's pretty it. So now we are done with the assembly. Maintenant, on a fini le montage. And this is it. So, what do we need to do now? Let's have a look. Tidy all the wires. Plug the receiver in according to the corresponding plug and put the receiver into the bottom of the present compartment. Install the plywood. Après on remet le contreplaqué et on met la batterie. Okay. So the next step will be the receiver installation. So see you on the next video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching this assembly, and as you have seen, it's really simple, quite nothing to do. And you see, this is a CNHL 4000, and it will go perfectly in there, no problem. But I've got all the wires. This is a big mess. I will do that later. So yeah, that's it. Here you go, the beautiful and sexy Gripen 70mm. That's nice. Really cool. C'est beau, belle bête. So guys, see you soon. Thanks again for watching. Don't hesitate to put a thumbs up and to subscribe to support the channel and to follow me in my next adventures, guys. Donc n'hésitez pas à mettre un petit pouce en l'air, ça aide à être présent dans l'algorithme de YouTube, vous le savez. Et puis abonnez-vous si ce n'est pas déjà fait. Merci beaucoup les gars d'avoir regardé et à bientôt.